Hi, my name is Gary Mishuris, Managing Partner and Chief Investment Officer at Silver Ring Value Partners. I also teach the Value Investing Seminar at the F.W. Olin Graduate School of Business. A lot of times I get asked, how do I begin investing? Where do I even start? Well, I think it's very specific in terms of the details, but there are some general things that I think would benefit everyone. First of all, you want to identify your goals. You really want to say, what am I saving for? And here's why. You want to really think about how far out is what you're saving for. So are you saving for retirement? And let's say you're 30 and you're going to retire at 65. That's a very long time horizon. That's great because that might inform how you're going to invest those funds. Are you saving for a car you're going to buy next year? That's a very different investment. So first, identify what you're saving for and what's your time horizon. Next, I think you want to make sure the very foundation of all investing is saving. You have to live below your means because you can't invest what you're not saving. So investing implies that you make X and you spend less than X. So be very sure to save something every month or every quarter, every time period. And one trick that's really helpful is make it automatic, because there's been a lot of behavioral studies that show that if you default to just having something taken out of your paycheck automatically, that where you don't even know it's there, it goes to a different bank account, you tend not to count on that money, and that money is not even available for you to say, lose your discipline, splurge on something at the end of the month and not save. So make it easy for you to save, identify your goals, and then, at a different point we can talk about the actual specifics of how do you pick the investment vehicles, but at the very least you have the money coming in every month, that's the savings, and you have your goals, and you're going to create different parts of your portfolio to meet those different needs in the future.